tutorial, I'll show you how to schedule a meeting through Google Calendar on Google Meet. Firstly, log in with your school ID and click on the 9 dots, which is Google Apps menu, and select Calendar from the menu. Click on the date you want the meeting to start. A box will appear. Enter the title of the meeting and set the date and time for the meeting. Click on Recurrence drop-down menu and choose how often you want the meeting to repeat. For this example, every weekday is the class happens daily from the Monday to Friday. Add Google Meet conference in to generate a meeting ID, and click on More options to add more details. Attach any documents or files you need from the meeting and set up notifications through email or cell phone. Add guests by entering their email addresses. Click Save and choose whether to send invitation emails to guests if preferable to send the invitations, but you can choose Don't Send if you prefer not to. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.